Is it healthy to cook food in a pressure cooker? Pressure cooker is the most common cooking method in India. Pressure cooker traps steam inside to cook food. Rice and dal cook faster in a cooker. However, they also lose nutrition faster you cook them under pressure. How to balance this out? When you cook in a pressure cooker, you tend to leave it on the counter until the pressure has reduced. During this whole time, your rice and dal continue getting cooked, even though you stopped heating it. The key to cooking healthy food in pressure cooker is to reduce cooking time. You can achieve this by releasing the pressure as soon as rice and dal are fully cooked. With the quick release method, pressure cooking becomes even healthier than steaming. For healthy cooking tips, subscribe to our channel.